Brad Williams, XL Prime, RANDBETWEEN. Here, we're going to look for random menu items. Previously, we used numbers, but who's to say you can't use bacon, eggs, coffee, hash brown, or pancakes? Random menu items. You can put anything you want in here. Doesn't matter. Just make sure your format's set up. If by chance you put 6 items in here, it's only going to look at the first 5. And if you put, oh, I don't know, what have I done? What mistakes have I made in the past? I put 4 in here and there's 1 in 5, it'll still work, but it'll only generate 4 items. I'm not sure if it's going to kick out an error. Let's look. We're going to go here and it does kick out a value. So it picked up 5 and it kicked out an error. So hit F9. It'll continue to work, but it'll kick out an error. So hit F9. It picked hash browns. Hit F9 again. And see, it still works until it hits a 5. It throws an error because there's not a 5th item. And it did pick 5. So let's look in here and see. That raises an interesting question. Value, 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 value. Choose between, random between. And I don't want this thing to reset on me. It did pick 5. When we're looking in this deal, this number matches whatever is supposed to be in here. You remember we were messing around previously? There was a 2 or a 4. Well, that should represent the current number, not the future number. Because this thing resets all the time. Now we know that this number, random between whatever that number is, Choose uses it. Let's back out of here and correct this. And go ahead and put OJ. Just go with me on this one. So now we have 6 items. Hit go, hit F9 until your heart's desire. You're never, ever going to see OJ. If we hit 6, hit F9, OJ. You need to match your minimum and max, and don't put a colon in there. It won't work. Make sure you put a comma after your entry here. If not, it won't work. Escape and back out. Let's get rid of the OJ. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thank you.